Okay. Okay. How long do we put this in for?
2 minutes, 12 seconds.
2:12. Well, we'll put 2:30. Whatever. Gives a shit. Yeah.
Talk.
3 eggs.
Tell him what we do.
Yeah, we're blowing up
Loud.
3 eggs now. Not 2, not 1, 3.
Like, Exploding Egg Part 3. Want to check out the other ones? We'll have a link in our description.
Dude. I swear to God, I heard one almost want to blow up. Don't let go of it. I got this.
Are you holding it close?
Yeah.
You're free to beat me up.
Watch the doors gonna fling open and smack you in the face.
That's what almost happened last time.
Yeah. This is odd.
I'm
Normally the first egg explodes after 30 seconds. It's been a minute. I have a crack.
I'm scared.
This is not normal. One's moving. One's moving. One's gonna be the first one to blow up.
That's a crack?
Yeah, this has been here for a while.
Oh. That's probably why I burst it
The
open.
one in the middle is gonna blow up first.
Nope.
Because it's moving. Told you! Told you!
That one failed.
Yeah, that one kind of failed miserably.
Just burst open. Oh. Is this still blowing up?
Yeah, it's like, dude, it's swelling. Oh, that one right in front of us is gonna blow up next. Dude.
How are they surviving?
I don't know.
We're gonna have to add more time. Add a minute.
When it gets done to like 30 seconds.
Oh god. Either that's a TV or I'm hearing that.
I'm hearing that.
Sounds like a freaking...
I added a minute.
Dude, why is it surviving? That one is still blowing up. It's not even done yet.
Dude, what the fuck? This is stupid. This sucks.
They're like, that one's cracking.
It sounds like a fucking bomb.
Is that the microwave?
Oh,
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my good god! That's all you heard. Please. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that is like anally rapage. Look at the fucking window.